We're getting ready to serve a notice of appearance for a Superior Court case that has a district attorney, an assistant district attorney assigned to the case. So we're going to click Start Filing.
Click Start Filing, yep. File into existing case. Select the case location.
This will be Wake County Superior Court.
Enter your case number.
Do we enter the CRS number or no S?
That's a good question, no S. So all Superior Court cases were converted over from the legacy systems without the S.
And that needs to have the -910 as the county code.
That's correct. All right, from here you would click Actions, File into Case. This is just general case information. There's nothing to do. And then these are the parties that are on the case. And then we'll go to the filings and click Add Filing.
And this would be File and Serve because this needs to go directly to the Assistant District Attorney, correct?
Yes, but we have to do something first before we can file and serve it. You'll want to add the district attorney's email to your contacts for your firm. File and serve will save this draft and we can come back to it. So if you just want to click the menu at the top left-hand corner and then click on Service Contacts. And then from here you would add contact. And you would enter and then now once you enter the email address, you can click Save.
We don't have to save any other relevant information.
That's correct.
Okay.
All right. And now we can go back to the filing. So if you want to click on the Home button, and we'll check this filing in our drafts.
Okay. So this is 286632. So this goes to our drafts. Is this right here?
That's correct. Perfect. So now we can click the pencil icon to edit. So you'll click E-File and Serve, and we'll select the Notice of Appearance filing code. And again, that's any internal client reference number.
And I don't need to put a description or any comments, correct?
That's correct. It's all optional. And then just click Select Filing.
Okay.
And you want to select a security.
And since this is just a notice of appearance, it would be public.
Public security, yep. And then if you had additional documents to submit, you could click Add More, but since we don't, we'll go to Service. So now you'll want to add your service contact that you added. So click Firm List. And then you'll want to select the party, the associated party at the top. It is required, so you'll want to select the state of North Carolina. And then there is the service contact that we added. And then you can click Save. And this will serve that ADA the notice of appearance, you will get an email when this is submitted and then accepted by the clerk. So click fees. And again, even though there's no fees associated, it is required to fill this information out.
And this is the waiver account that I previously created in order to have there be no fees associated with this matter.
And then click calculate fees. It'll come up as 0. And then you click summary. We'll do the 3 submission agreements. If you had anything to edit, you would edit it from here. And this is different than our previous filing where we see that there is a number 1 and a little blue icon letting us know that we do have a service contact for that party. And then you can see it right there. And then you click submit. And then this lets us know our envelope has been submitted, and we can go back to the dashboard.
And the filing history shows that it was submitted at that location within the last three ones that I've submitted, and that's got the envelope number, which is how we would reference this particular filing in the future.
That's correct.
Is there anything else that needs to be done with this one from this point?
No.
Okay.
But we can show them the emails that they'll get.
Ignoring my messy inbox, please note that I have now received a notice from the clerk of court indicating that it has been filed and received.
Correct, but it has not been accepted. You'll get another email when it is accepted by the clerk's office through their file and serve review queue.
So this is the submission email, and then there is a second follow-up acceptance email that we'll receive. So although the general policy is that the clerks will accept all filings, there may be times when a clerk rejects your filing for some sort of deficiency. Specifically, an example of this would be a waiver of counsel that may have been signed in court and uploaded or scanned into the system by attorneys. And if it did not have the document attached properly, or if there was some sort of blank waiver rather than the actual filled out signed copy of the document, that could be rejected. And in that case, you would not receive a filing acceptance email. You would receive a filing rejection email that would specifically outline, again, in the comments section in bright red, why that particular filing was rejected. Although the general rule is that the clerk will accept all filings.